the door handle on your 944 not opening, locking, or the rubber's cracked on it? Well, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the door handle on your 944. First, you're going to open your door and locate the one Phillips head screw and remove it. Next, you want to push the door handle towards the front of the car and pull the door handle out. If you're just replacing the door gaskets, you can remove them now and reinstall them with your new gaskets. Do the same thing for the front gasket. The first step to remove the door handle is to remove the lock linkage. On the left side of the door handle, there's a C-clip that you can remove using a flathead screwdriver. Once the C-clip's removed, you can use a small punch to remove the pin. Now you can squeeze the lever to remove the lock linkage. Next, we're going to remove the central locking sensor by removing the single flathead screw. Take off the top clip and gently pry the central locking sensor off of the door handle. Lastly, we just need to remove the ball joint linkage that actuates the lock. Reach in with a flathead screwdriver and push towards the front of the car to push the linkage off of the ball joint. And that's how you remove the door handle. At this time, you can also replace the gaskets. If you're having problems with your central lock, you can adjust the lobe that's located on the lock cylinder. Now just reinstall in the reverse order, first starting with the ball joint linkage. Then you can reattach the central locking sensor. Reinstall the clip and the screw. Squeeze the lever and you can reattach the lock linkage. Reinsert the pin. Take a small punch to seat it through. Put your C-clip back on. Then you're going to want to put the back section of the door handle in first, then the front, and pull towards you. Reinstall the Phillips head screw and confirm it works. So that's how you remove and reinstall the door handle on your 944. If you like videos like this and you want to learn more about how to fix your Porsche, check us out at pelicanparts.com.